In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check transactions on Apple Pay. If you've ever wondered whether a payment went through, wanted to double check a charge, or just keep a closer eye on your spending, Apple Pay makes it simple to view your history right on your iPhone. I'll walk you through the process and share a few helpful tips so you know exactly what you're looking at. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where Apple groups your payment and security options so you don't need to jump between different apps. Once you're in, scroll until you see Wallet and Apple Pay and tap it. This section controls everything related to your Apple Pay setup. Next, select the card you used for your purchases. Each card you add to Apple Pay has its own transaction list, so make sure you choose the one you actually paid with. After you've opened that card, swipe to the Transactions tab. This view focuses specifically on what you've spent and received with Apple Pay for that card. Here, you'll see your recent Apple Pay purchases and payment history. Think of this as a quick snapshot of where your money went. You may notice that some entries show up immediately as pending while the merchant finalizes the charge and then update to a posted amount later. That's normal, especially for places like restaurants, ride shares, or hotels where tips or adjustments might apply. If you want to learn more about any entry, tap the transaction to see full details, including the merchant name, the amount, and the date. This is useful for confirming that a charge matches your receipt or for recognizing a purchase you don't immediately remember. Keep in mind that the merchant name might reflect the company's billing name rather than the storefront sign you saw, so slight differences can be expected. If you like staying in the loop in real time, consider enabling transaction notifications so you get alerts every time Apple Pay is used. That way, you'll know right away when a payment is made from your device, which is great for both budgeting and peace of mind. A quick tip: if you don't see a transaction right away, it can take a little time to appear, depending on the merchant and your bank. Also, be sure you're viewing the correct card since history doesn't combine across different cards. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.